How to block phone number or contact on Galaxy device. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can block phone number or a contact on your Galaxy device. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Blocking a phone number or a contact on Samsung Galaxy devices is actually quite a fairly simple process. To be able to block number or contacts on Samsung Galaxy devices, first open the phone app and just navigate to the contact list, and over there select the contact whom maybe you wish to block right there, right? So I'll just go ahead and select a certain person that maybe you wish to block and tap the eye icon, and this will be the contact number. So what you have to do is tap on the more icon right next to it, and there you'll find the option called block contact. So when you tap the block contact button, you will be able to block that specific person on your Galaxy device. Hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.